Great morning, everyone. Yes, especially to the facilitators of this activity. How about greeting each other a great day and say congratulations for being here today. You really look wonderful today. I am Antonio P. Faustino Jr., Assistant Schools Division Superintendent and Deputy Chief Branch Manager of HWPL, representing 334 schools with about 408,000 learners. It is my honor to share with you the best practices in peace education from Cavite Province, Philippines. Our partnership with HWPL formally began with the signing of a MOA in 2023. Since then, it has guided our programs in promoting peace education through capacity building and contextualization. We began with planning sessions involving education leaders and key stakeholders, recognizing that peace is not only the work of schools, but also a shared responsibility of the community. By engaging school heads, teachers, parents, and local leaders, our initiatives became collaborative, inclusive, and responsive to the real needs of learners. Teachers in social science and good manners and right conduct integrated the HWPL 12 peace lessons, making peace education part of students' daily learning. This helped them live out peace as values, not just ideas. Together with HWPL and IPYG, we trained 150 youth leaders from grades 4 to 10 through a 2-day youth empowerment peace class, strengthening their leadership as peace builders in schools and community. This year, we hosted the January 24 Peace Day celebration at the historical Aguinaldo Shrine, joined by about 8,000 participants in a peace walk, showing that peace is possible when government, educators, parents, and students unite. What began with one district, we now aim to expand into a Cavite-wide annual celebration, ensuring that every learner and community in the province takes part in this movement for peace. It became a living testimony of our shared commitment to create a culture of peace, not only in schools, but in the wider community. Looking ahead, our division will continue to expand peace education in all 334 public schools. We will strengthen teacher capacity, develop localized learning resources, and broaden student participation through peace clubs. We also plan to work with the community and conduct research to ensure peace is sustained for years to come. Together with HWPL, we will continue to sow the seeds of peace for generations to come. Thank you and mabuhay. God bless everyone.